All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So catch, catch, catch. To reach out and grab something that is falling. Catch, 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 catch. Yes, I will catch the book. I'll catch the book. He catches the book too. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I will catch the ball. Or catch the ball. Catch the ball. Oh, perfect. I will catch the ball. Nice. Easy. She catches the balls. She will catch. She catches the ball. So I catch. Yeah. You catch. They catch. Nice. Makes sense. He catches. She catches. It catches. Yeah. How cool is that? So I catch the ball. I catch the falling books. I catch anything. I throw it to me. I will catch it. I will catch it. I'll catch it. How cool is that? Yeah. I will catch it. You will catch it as I throw it to you. You will catch it as I throw it to you. Makes sense. So they always catch the, ball. They always catch the ball. They have been trained to catch correctly. Yeah. So he catches the tennis ball. Tennis ball, yeah. Nice. But also, catch means to get something. To get something. So she catches the train. He catches the plane. Yeah. It catches anything. It catches the sound. It catches any junk mail. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. To get something. So we could say, I caught the bus. He caught the ball. I caught the bus last night. Yeah, caught. Past tense. I caught the bus last night. I caught it last time. Last time I caught it there. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm catching it now. I'm catching it now. I'm going to catch it. I'm trying to catch it. I'm catching the ball now. It is coming close. Yeah. How cool is that? Are you going to catch the next train? The next train, because this train's gone. This train has already left. That train left. Are you going to catch the one after? That train has just left. Are you going to catch the one after it? The next one? Are you going to catch it? Yes, no, maybe. It's an idea. Yeah, why not? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So I catch, you catch, they catch, he catches, she catches, it catches. How cool is that, Language Explorer? So catch. Yeah. To reach out and grab something that's falling or to get something. I caught the cat. I caught the mouse. I caught the train. Caught the plane. How cool is that? So can you use catch in a sentence? Can you comment that sentence below in the comments box and like the video and subscribe to the channel? More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. English with Adrian. Yeah, and you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.